In this video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV to Supabase. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up a project inside Supabase. So for me, I'm just going to go inside this random test project over here. And then from here, what you're going to have to do is on the left, you want to hover over this table editor and then click on it. And then in here, you want to click on create a new table. From here, you want to give it a name, so I'm just going to give it a test name over here. You can give it a description if you want to, but this is optional. And then down here, it says columns, import data from CSV. So you want to click on this. And in here, you want to drag and drop or simply browse your files and find an CSV file on your computer. So for me, I have it here under downloads. Let me just put this in. There we go. And then after you do so, you'll be able to see it over here. So it says how many rows and how many columns it'll have. And then if everything looks correct over here, so this is just a random file which has names, ages, heights, and weights of some random generated people. And then once you do this, and once you see everything actually is correct in here, you can just click on save. And the next step will be to basically give them a private key. So it says warning, no primary key selected. What you should do is basically just give it a private key, a primary key, excuse me. So you have to click on either of these over here. Just click on the check mark like this, because if you don't do this, it says, of course, you'll not be able to update or delete rows from the table. So click on one of these you would like to have as the primary key. There we go. And then you want to click on save. And just like that, it's going to start creating the table, adding columns and rows. And just like this, we now have ourselves a CSV table imported into Supabase. If you want to do this with an existing table though, and you don't want to create a new one, so you want to basically add some data, you can go ahead and click on insert up top, import data from CSV, and then the process from here on is exactly the same. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.